Hi, in this series of videos, I want to show how to modeling and designing a multi-spindle for drilling process, drilling process that used for a cylinder head. This series of videos consists of three sections. Section 1 include modeling all part of this assembly in part environment of SolidWorks. After that, I show you how to assemble this part together until creating a multi-spindle assembly. After that, and finally, another series of video, I want to show you how to creating a detail of this part and these parts and this assembly in the drawing environment of SolidWorks for manufacturing this part. So I creating this series of video as soon as